how to import any files into monday.com subitems. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to import any files from your computer or any cloud service into your monday.com subitems. So first you can open your monday.com dashboard, and as you can see on the left side there is the workspace, and you can choose the workspace you want to add the files. Let's say I want to choose real estate workspace here, and I'm gonna choose this board, agent task management, and this is my board. And as you can see on the sub items, let's say I want to add the files here. I can just click it, and there are two options. You can upload the files from this one, from the files tab here. Oops. And you can add file here, or you can choose, from this one and go to this add file icon. You can click it, and you can choose to upload your files from computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, and others. So you have a lot of options, and yeah. And then after that, you can just click update here and it will add it to your sub items. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.